time it is. Time to get crafty with some gifts. Crafting with Katrina. Hi everyone, it's Katrina. This is another one of my Mother's Day gift basket concepts. And it is the same as two of my other baskets that I've shown you. This basket has a set of pajamas in it. We have our cucumber melon bonacology, as well as the foot scrub and a facial mask. I also have makeup wipes, bath salts, a loofah, washcloth, our Dove body cream, as well as the little soap buds, and our yellow tricycle. I used foam padding to wrap this box and put it in regular cellophane with this big beautiful bow. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload another video. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.